Hello guys, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon powder. I have some lemons here which I bought like a week ago, so I decided to turn them into lemon powder. To make your lemon powder you need about 10 to 20 lemons, so I've got about 15 lemons here. Before I start making the lemon powder, I would like to rinse the lemon under running water. I'm just going to bring the lemons into a bowl of water. Rinse them 2 times first. Once you're done washing your lemons, pat them dry with a kitchen towel or with your normal towel. Place the lemons on a cutting board. You can cut off this and it looks dry. You can decide to use your vegetable peeler or a knife to peel the skin of the lemon. It's the skin you need and not the lemon flesh. If you don't have a potato peeler, you can use your knife to peel your lemon. You can simply peel the lemon using a knife. I love using a smaller knife to peel this because it's very light to handle. Peel as much flesh as you can. You can as well use your hand to peel your lemon. Whichever method or tool you use to peel your lemon, it doesn't matter. All you need is a peel. Okay, so we have a pile of lemon peels here, and for this lemon you can use it to make lemonade or lemon water. Okay, you can use the juice to make lemon tea or any recipe that calls for lemon juice. So for these peels, you're going to sun dry this. You can use your oven or dehydrator to dry this. Okay, so I'm going to spread out the lemon peels on a tray. Once this is evenly spread out, drop this in the sun to dry. It might take days, but it's worth it. So guys, this is our lemon peels after drying this for a whole day. It's almost dried, but I still need to dry this for another day, making it 2 days. At the end of the 2 days, this will be ready. This is almost dried. Okay, so this is our dried lemon peels. It is crisp and easy to break apart, so it's ready to grind. You just bring everything together, add it to the blender and blend. Okay, this is it. We are going to strain this to get rid of these larger chunks. Okay, so after sifting this, this is what I'm left with. You can still put this into the blender and blend again. I'll do that later. Meanwhile, this is the fine particle of lemon peels powder we've got. Okay guys, your lemon peel powder is ready. Look at this fine consistency we've got. You can use this for so many things. Lemon peel powder can be mixed with salt, pepper to create lemon pepper blends. You can add it to your chicken, fish or seafood dishes to improve the flavor. And you can even add this as an ingredient in your homemade body care products, or simply add it to your baked goods. So guys, this was how to prepare lemon powder or lemon peel powder. If you have other ideas on what to do with this, please share your ideas with me. Thank you guys for watching. Good to have you around here. Until next time, see you shortly. Bye.